Hey guys, what's up? So, yeah, we're gonna be playing Bowmasters again. We're gonna do bird hunt, but every time it hits a bird, it makes a sound, probably. Who knows? Depends if I feel like it. I'm just kidding. So yeah, let's do it. So, yeah, probably just gonna be quiet. Gotta focus. No! Wow. Hey. I'm Dookie. No. Come on. There you are. Wow, I'm gonna hit myself. Oh no, I hit the coin. I'm a legend. I just hit the coin. Wow. Come on. Yay.